I'm
Mm.
very grateful for the people who hurt me.
Kasi if
Kasi
they weren't there, wala rin tayo
Ikaw
dito yung setting my mood, right? Kasi once magawa ko yung gratitude challenge or yung affirmations every morning, na-uplift talaga yung mood.
Good.
More on saying, being grateful for those who have wronged me pa nga. I'm thankful for the people who've hurt me kasi they tempered my doon ko nararamdaman yung kahit ano pang mangyari, interactions mo would be good or bad, it's still something to be grateful for kasi they have a purpose in your life talaga. So, yun.
yung part na din yung talagang nagdidiin sa'kin. I'm
Mm.
very grateful for the people who hurt me.
Kasi if
Kasi
they weren't there, wala rin tayo
Ka
dito.
matutunan.
Hindi
Oo,
tayo
may matututo.
magsasama-sama. May reason lang talaga lahat sila. Everything. So,
Agree.